Hello there. Hello, Taurus. How are you doing? This is your mid month June reading for career and money. So, this is from 16th of June to 30th. Maybe this energy might extend to July, maybe the first half. So, Taurus, let's see what's there for you. I've shuffled these cards before, and we'll just shuffle it once or twice more. It's just a word of caution for everybody, all signs, because as we know that Venus, planet Venus, the planet of love, comfort, luxury, is in retrograde and coming out only 25th of June this month from retrograde, and Mercury goes retrograde on 17th. So we need, this is the planet of communication. So what happens when a planet goes retrograde? You will just, the business and the job requires all kinds of communication. So the communication gets impacted. So be very careful with, new ventures. If you haven't started anything new, go slow. Do not put all the investments or big chunk of money together. Take step by step, and verify and cross-check all your financial dealings, your papers, not once, twice, but multiple times. It's really gonna help, Taurus. So let's see what the card has for you. Definitely we are hoping some great stuff. This is the first card. Oh, great. Four of Pentacles. So Taurus, this is a money card, and you're trying to hold a money or a money making idea, or just holding it firmly. You don't want to let it go. Maybe there is something that you have in your mind and you just want to hold it firmly. You can see that it just maybe this is talking about a money making idea which you think is really going to work, but here it could, like, you just don't want that idea to go to someone else or somebody taking up that idea. So it's like holding on either an idea or a big chunk of money or property or a job situation that just that is so the other cards are gonna tell us how things will go. So great, 10 of Cups. Usually last reading, I remember, Taurus, also you had, I think this is about a complete happiness that you're looking, family, friends, family, basically extended family. You can see children, and you are looking for that. Maybe you want to start a family, or you are looking the ideas that you have here regarding the money situation or thing is just that you must be thinking of a marriage, or or maybe having kids, and for that you are working towards earning money. Yeah, so you need finances in place to proceed with what life ahead. So basically I feel with this Four of Pentacle card and this together, it's like you want to work for a future, so that you could have this kind of a life later. So there are certain ideas, and you want to achieve those goals. So let's see what the other cards tell us. Okay, Seven of Rods. Great. So the universe has some plans for you, Taurus. See how you are struggling with obstacles and all, but still you come out victorious. So this card shows that presently you might be facing some obstacles, some you just but you are just not looking at obstacles. You're trying to push in through all this difficult time and a difficult phase, and you are going to be the winner. This is the card of the underdog. Yeah, so you with your ideas, even if it's an idea venture or a business deal, you are going to come victorious, though it may not be that smooth, but definitely victory is yours, Taurus. So that is a great card. I mean, really working hard, it is nice. But one thing I would just again remind you, be careful with your financial transactions. Be very careful with your financial transactions, Taurus. And that is it. Like, okay, Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So when it's Nine of Pentacles in reverse, it's like, I feel this is a card of self-care. You're taking care of yourself here. You have these ideas of money and how to get it. I mean, you are working on your business idea, and I feel you started getting, you could see the initial results, because here you have a success card, and this is towards emotional well-being, emotionally fulfilling idea that you have, starting a family or getting married, and money for that purpose. Here it shows that maybe sometimes you feel emotionally very sad and disturbed, but you're off still focusing towards your goals and dreams. You can here you can see that usually this card in an upright position shows that she has almost everything, but emotionally she is not happy. I mean, there's no love or something like that. But right now I think with this reverse card, you are just focusing on earning money, Taurus. So this is what I get. Knights of Swords in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse. So reverse card, good. I mean, yeah, usually upright position, this is one of not a very good card, but in a reverse position, it just shows that you're coming out. You have gone through this phase wherein you were restless, and you didn't know what to do, you didn't get good sleep, and difficult times you had. I mean, almost very difficult times. You're confused. But now with reverse position, I feel this is passing by, this phase is passing by. You have clarity of situation, you have communication coming in. I feel you could see some results also of your previous work. You have been working towards a certain goal, and such small amount of results already you can see. Also, I feel during this phase you could see some of your ex-bosses and ex-colleagues coming in. Initially you had some idea which just got stuck, and now you're taking it off, which is actually a good idea. So you will have influential people, contacts with influential people, and there is achievement of some sort from these cards that I see. That this card now for June, you could also have partnerships. So that is it. Okay, Knight of Swords. This is it. This reverse card, Knight of Swords. Here it is clarity, focus, action. You are just you are very much now what has to be done, and you are focused. I mean, you will also have a partnership, which will be of a strong foundation. It will be an honest partnership. If you are going through now, you will be going to have for your business. So this is what, with finance you can see some development, and you are in the right direction present. Some of you might also maybe from with the Knight of Swords coming, maybe there could be a movement to another place regarding a business or job. This is a general reading, and so take what resonates with you, and it is like for most of you it might come, for some of you something might resonate. So that is it. Let's see what the universe has message is there for you. I'll pull out one card and we'll just see what the universe has, what's the message from the universe. Great. Ace of Cups. Beautiful. What can what else can you ask? So the universe is asking you, just take your action, stay focused. Ace of Cups is like love, money, abundance, prosperity, everything coming to you slowly and steadily. This is a beautiful card, Taurus. And you see, you can see the abundance and prosperity is just coming out. So definitely, you are seeking this, and so go with a renewed energy, take on the new job or the new partnership with a lot of focus, and an achievement you will achieve slowly as you go forward with the months ahead. So it's coming, success is coming, Taurus, for you. So thank you. This is it for now. So if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. All the best.